how to download and install the latest Visual Studio C++ redistributables in your Windows. So first you want to open up your browser and then search for Redist like this. Click on the first link and then scroll down to the second table, and from here you will need to download and install the 86 version and the 64 as well, both of them right here. And once you finish installing them, it will basically ask you to reboot or restart your computer. And if it already exists, you should see a repair installation button, and you can press the repair button to repair your existing installations. I'm going to show you how to do it. So when you first run it, you should see a window like this. You can start installation directly if you don't have it already installed, or you can see the repair button if you do have it, and if you press repair, it should start repairing your existing installation. And once it's done, you should simply restart your computer and you will have the latest redistributables installed. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you on the next one.